That's good.
He's ready.
He's ready to play now. As long as you don't see you're here to snowplow, let him play out here. Look at him go. He likes to bring the ball back over there. The boy Patriot.
Where's the ball?
He buried it somewhere around here. Patriot. You like the snow, buddy? You like the snow? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where is it? What'd you do with it? You can't even find it now. You lost your ball because you buried it in the snow.
Patriot, this way. Long. Go long. Patriot.
Hey, bring it back. Bring it back. Good boy. Good boy. You gonna bury it again and we can't find it? Hey. Hey, you. What are you doing there? Oh, you got your ball. Hey, give us that ball. Give us that ball back, you. Give us that ball. Give us that ball back. Stop burying it in the snow. Get that ball from that dog. All right.
Patriot.
Send them the other way, too. Yeah. Patriot, come here. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me that. Give me that ball.
I don't have a ball.
I know, because he's got it. He's keeping it. He's burying it while eating the snow. He's eating the snow like a lunatic. All right, bring it to Zach. Give us that ball. Give Zach that ball. Hey, don't do that. Give him the ball.